Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to accelerate how to write in academic writing at work as well as university. Professional writing and writing at university and the documents and the assignments need simplicity but consistent effort. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to try to have complexity of the structure, but at the same time to keep the ideas simple. One of those elements that you need to add in your sentences to create better flow in your writing, or in the teacher's language, better cohesion or the concision, to have clear understanding, yet to keep the simplicity, is to apply conjunctions and transition words. Today's lesson is about how to present your ideas in contrast and compare context. What I'm going to share with you is the content in here. More than welcome to share the video that I post, and follow and subscribe my videos every day for more lessons. I teach you 4 conjunctions today that are really practical, and you can use it in any context to show the opposing views. Although is one of those conjunctions, you can use it at the beginning of a sentence or you can use it in the middle of a sentence. Remember, if although is used at the beginning of a sentence, for example, although it was raining outside, don't forget comma after the first clause. I went for a long walk to unwind. Unwind means relax. So make sure that if you have the conjunction at the beginning of a sentence, you follow the clause with a comma. But if you have it in the middle of a sentence, no comma is necessary. Even though it's the next one, which has exactly the same connotation and the same context to represent concision and contrast, if you use it at the beginning, it'll sound as the opposite view. Even though it was a sunny day, comma, I stayed in to relax. Make sure you punctuate your sentences clearly. Punctuation is basically the emotion of your sentences. If I speak, I can raise my voice and drop my voice to show the emotion of the content of my speech. But in writing, punctuation will do the same job as representing the emotion of your sentences. You can use though in the middle of a sentence to avoid repetition. You use a variety of those. They all have the same applicability. I took the exam, comma before, though I was not ready for it. There is an exception in here for though, you must use comma. For any other conjunction at the beginning, you don't need comma. And in terms of whereas, which is the next conjunction, or the transition to show the opposite view, you need to use semicolon before that and comma after that, which will show the same ideas, but the opposing views in here. All other students took the ETS test, whereas I took the IELTS test. So all these conjunctions, they have exactly the same meaning as but or yet. But you use variety of those for better context. Make sure you subscribe to the video, share this video with your friends, and follow my lessons for success in writing at work and university. Have a good one. I'll see you soon.